Balance your hormones naturally with our hormone balance tea, which is made with scientifically proven herbs which balance the female hormones. If you are struggling with hormonal imbalances, irregular periods, menopausal symptoms or infertility, or even if you are pregnant, you want to revive your uterine health after the pregnancy, you have to use this hormonal balance tea. And I am so excited to introduce you today to our all natural hormone balance tea made with scientifically proven 6 incredible herbs. Each of these herbs has been carefully selected for its unique benefits to women's hormonal health. Let's dive into what makes this tea so powerful. First up, we have Vitex berry, also known as chaste berry. This little berry is amazing for regulating menstrual cycles and alleviating the PMS symptoms by balancing progesterone levels. Next, we have red clover flowers. These beautiful blossoms contain phytoestrogens that support hormonal balance and help ease the menopausal symptoms. Plus, they are excellent for heart health and detox also. Next, there is stinging nettle, which is a powerhouse of nutrients including vitamins, minerals and antioxidants. It helps reduce inflammation and supports adrenal health and promotes overall hormonal balance. Plus, it is great for your hair and skin. Next, there is Ashoka bark, which is traditionally used in Ayurvedic medicine to support uterine health. It helps regulate menstrual cycles, reduce menstrual pain and manage heavy bleeding. Ashoka bark is a fantastic herb for overall female reproductive health and painful menses. Next is ashwagandha, which is an adaptogen, meaning it helps your body manage stress. It supports adrenal health, reduces cortisol levels and promotes overall hormonal balance. Ashwagandha also boosts energy levels and improves mood. So it is wonderful if the cause of your infertility is depression and anxiety. Finally, we have Shatavari, another powerful adaptogen known as the queen of herbs in Ayurveda. Shatavari supports reproductive health, enhances fertility and helps balance hormones. It is also known for its anti-aging properties. Finally, let me share with you how to take this tea. In a cup, add some tea powder. We have not used tea bags because of the danger of microplastics in the tea bag. So all you have to do is put a heaping teaspoonful in a cup and then pour hot boiling water over it. Please do not boil it in water directly on stove because that will destroy the active ingredients in these herbs. So once you have poured hot boiling water on your tea, just mix it up and cover it till it becomes a temperature that is comfortable to drink. This method is called steeping the tea. After 15 or 20 minutes, your tea will be cool enough to drink. Now take off the lid and now it is your choice. If you want, you can mix honey or stevia or whatever sweetener you want in your tea, and if you want, you can strain it. Otherwise, you can see the herbs have settled at the bottom. We can easily drink from the top. I would recommend every woman to take 1 cup of this tea every day before bed, and if you have some serious hormonal issue, you can even take 2 cups. For more information on dietary changes to balance your hormones, do subscribe to our channel.